Hi there. Mm, Today, let's dive into looking at the book of the law. For those of you who are Christians, but I also know that in other religions, you have books that you read that guides you into having that passionate, that great relationship with the power that brings us with the Creator, Spirit, or higher power, or God, whatever that your religion is. So the Bible actually says, um, this book of the law shall not depart out of thy mouth. Thou shalt observe to do according to that which is written in it. And we are being asked to do this daily. So it's a daily thing. It has to be part of our life. It has to be something we are passionate about, that we consider as a necessity to nourish our soul, our minds, and to be in alignment with the reason, with the purpose for which we are here. Because it is only then that we have good success, that we walk in confidence and knowing that the word or that spirit is the lamp unto our feet, is the light unto our path, and that every step in the way it guides us, it leads us, and we do not fall into temptation, because it's like an instruction manual. It also helps us to be in that, to be ready even when trouble kicks in. We know exactly what to do. We know how to get out of the situation. We even know how to address it, because already we are in that space where we look at things that are happening in our life as they're happening for us. And what we just know is there is good in it for us. And being and really honing into studying and meditating on the word, knowing it so it be on our lips when we need it, it's so important. So studying the Bible, meditating, putting time aside, even if it's just 30 minutes a day, you put it aside to meditate on the words, to make it that conscious decision. Before you start your day, you start with the word. You start with that which nourishes your spirit and guides you throughout the day. So you stay in alignment with your goals, your dreams, and knowing that as you are one with the word, as you're learning, as you're growing, you become better and better. And even those around you will notice how your light shines, how you carry yourself, how you respond. It gives us the ability to have that self-control, so that we don't react towards circumstances, but that we respond because we become mature children of God. So just keep meditating. And me personally, I do it twice a day. I wake up in the morning. That's the first thing we do. We meditate on the word. We say our affirmations. We just get honed into submitting ourselves into the hands of the Almighty God, and as He leads us through the day. And when we come back, we are grateful, we are thankful, we give Him thanks for the day, and we look forward for the next day. And even during the day, when you feel that urge, go ahead and give thanks and acknowledge Him, because we are guided even throughout the day. The energy changes. We know when things might not be going in the right direction, and we know exactly what to do. Why? Because we are one with the word. We become one with Him. That relationship has become one, and we don't have any doubt. We know exactly what to do because we are paying attention to that voice of truth. So get into the word and keep nourishing yourself as we all grow and make our world a better place in love, in peace, in unity. Take care, and bye for now.